The Department of Radiology and Imaging Sciences uses 4 websites to keep current and future employees informed and up to date: the main radiology website, the radiology intranet, the Emory Healthcare site, and the Emory Healthcare intranet. To visit the main website for the Department of Radiology and Imaging Sciences, type in radiology.emory.edu into your search bar. This public-facing website is accessible to anyone, anywhere. Its primary purpose is to provide information about our department, clinical divisions, and educational programs and opportunities. There are a number of useful resources on the homepage alone, such as our annual report, our dedication to diversity and inclusion, which also includes a link to our diversity toolkit, relevant departmental information, our most recent newsletter, and our newsletter archive. In the sidebar navigation, you'll find links to our About Us section, clinical divisions, education, research, events and lectures, opportunities to donate, our faculty directory, and our informatics and quality section. You'll also find our contact information and our official Twitter page. We're very active on Twitter and post frequently about our faculty and staff, important departmental information, and we also live tweet during Emory Radiology events and conferences. If you need any media services from our communications team, such as flyers, posters, website changes, or videos, you can submit a request by clicking the blue Media Service Request button on the home page and filling out the form at the bottom of the page. If you need to access the virtual desktop, click the green For Employees button on the home page and scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Login to VDT. Our next website is the Emory Radiology Intranet. This site is private and only accessible with your ID and password. To gain access, click on the green For Employees button on the main radiology website, scroll down to the bottom, and fill out the survey with your information and click Done. Once you've been granted access, which usually takes about 1 to 2 business days, you can log into the Radiology Intranet by clicking the link at the top of the For Employees page or by typing in secure.web.emory.edu/radiology/intranet. The Radiology Intranet contains information and resources for our department's faculty and staff. Majority of these resources can be found under the Department Resources section of our front page. They include information on getting added to the department listservs, faculty meetings, downloadable logos, notaries, organization charts, style guide, social media, templates, and website update requests. Our third website is the Emory Healthcare Radiology website. In your search bar, type in emoryhealthcare.org/emory-clinic/radiology. This public-facing website is for patients and referring physicians and includes an overview of our treatment and services, location and hours, and our physicians. Our final website is the Emory Healthcare Intranet. Type in rehc.org in your search bar and then click on Departments and Groups, and under Clinical Departments, click Radiology. Or you can type in rehc.org/departments/EHC Radiology. This is an internal site only accessible on an Emory campus or through the virtual desktop. It's mainly for interdepartmental use and includes information on how to contact a radiologist, important phone numbers, and other healthcare-specific faculty and staff resources. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide made it easier for you to navigate Emory Radiology's websites and how to best utilize all our resources and services offered.